started?
Huh?
Oh, she started.
Oh, she started. Got her all warmed up. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when a machine breaks down. You have to go back and do it the old school way. What?
Were you talking to yourself?
I was talking to the people of the YouTube.
No, you're talking to yourself.
Fair enough.
I don't think I started it.
Hey, it wasn't a two-way conversation, all right? It was a one-way talking to the wall kind of thing, getting it out in the open.
Well, you can't say this A and B conversation.
See your way out of it before the D slaps you, bud.
No, I'm gonna see my way into it. A, B, C, and D conversation. Do we even have cones, bud? Should I call Eric?
Probably.
I'll call Eric so he can get us some cones so we can be safe. Safe.
I'll hit the ground before I ever hit that safety knot.
Hey, you wanna grab some cones?
Huh?
Yeah, some cones. Yeah.
We're gonna get in trouble.
Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah, so we don't get in trouble. Look like it's got safety.
Or just bring a high visibility shirt and you can be my traffic cone.
Yeah. Bring some high vis. Alright, yeah, just grab a couple cones. Alright, bro. See you in a minute. Alright, bro. You gotta be safe. You got Inspector Gadget coming on over.
Huh?
We got Inspector Gadget coming on over.
Cool.
Nope.
Maybe they want to help us chip some brush.
Yeah, I'll see, man. You know, it's kind of a tough one, but. He's a good.
Where's your machine at?
Huh?
When they ask, where's your machine at? Just point to me.
Yeah. I got a wet machine right here.
All right, steel core.
Are you just taking a top out of this or what?
Yeah. Basically where we could just flop the stubs once the excavator's here.
I thought we were doing that one.
We're doing both.
Oh, both of them?
Yeah. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Here.
So that truck with the man lift that just left, was that with you guys? Do me a favor when you talk to him again.
Yeah, tell him not to go out that way. I told him to head back out this way right here, but he...
No, all of this is one way. The only way out is around.
Oh, all the way around the building? Okay, so this road not so much?
This is a one-way only.
Yeah,
Notice
you
it
can only
says
go-
do not enter wrong way.
Yeah.
But it's one of those, when you guys are only here once or twice a year, it's kind of hard to remember. Oh, well, fuck. It's a wide road. Let's go. Oh, wrong way.
All right.
So, no big deal.
All right, thank you.
And then you guys will jump over to that walnut around the corner.
Yeah, from here we go over to the Walnut, and from the Walnut to the Willow, and then Mike Mendez.
That's me.
Oh, long time no see then. Did you see the one in the corner?
Which corner?
It would be the southeast corner of the building. There's another cottonwood on the far south end right here, right in the corner where the visitor parking is. There's a cottonwood or poplar or whatever it is, completely dead. So I think that's what Casey called you about.
Yep. Go ahead and take it, and then just bill us.
Okay. Yeah, I think he was waiting for confirmation that you actually see it. And...
Yeah, go ahead and take it out and just bill us.
Okay.
We want to get rid of a lot of these dead trees and start cleaning the area up. So
Okay.
yeah. All right, awesome. Have a good day, guys.
Yep.
All right, thanks, Mike.
Look at that guy. Ain't even making the cut right. Look at him.
Hey, put the GoPro down and get to work.
Look at the boss telling me what to do. I better do it.
Probably not the best place for that GoPro.